Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you update display drivers in Windows 10. Go to Start and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager and then search for Display Adapters. Here is the option of Display Adapters. Expand this option. Right click on Adapter. Then you will get option of Update Driver, or you can go to Properties and then go to Driver, and here is also option of Update Driver. You can update driver from here. After clicking on Update Driver, you will get two options. You can select first option, and my driver is already updated. You can try this method to update your display drivers. This is how you can update your display driver in Windows 10. Thank you everyone.